Good day, everybody. My name is Coach Promise, and in this video, you are going to be learning the very first and main way you can create your USA bank account. Okay, so before sending this video, you have successfully learned, you've completed the introduction to Amazon KDP, and I've taught you everything you need to know about, like, as the basis of Amazon KDP, and I've also done the introduction. So here you will learn how to create your USA bank account. Okay, so now, first off, on your phone, you go to Google Play Store. You go to Google Play Store, you go to your Play Store, and then you inside your Play Store, this is how it will look like. On Apple, it's the interface is going to be much different. That's like on iPhone, then it's going to be much different. But like on Android, this is how it's going to look like. So you come here to the search bar here, then type Payday, Payday. Then when you type that, this is the app you will see. Then you click install. So after installing it, you open it. Okay, when you open it, this is what you'll see first, and then you'll see this. So you click continue. They might show you a notification that you might need. So you click here and exit it, and then you click continue again. You keep continue, and then you click join Payday. Okay, when you click join Payday, it will carry you here. So you're going to put your first name and your last name, then click continue, and then you put your email address and your password. Okay, then you click continue, and then they'll send an OTP to your email. Okay, they'll send an OTP to your email, and when you open your email, this is how it's going to look like. Okay, payday registration. This is how exactly how it's going to look like. Okay, so you now open it, and then you see the OTP here. Okay, and then when you copy the OTP here, you go back to payday, and then you come and put it here, and then you click continue. So when you click continue, you now be asked to choose a payday tag. A payday tag is like, let's say, your username. So if someone on payday wants to send you money, they can send it to you through your username. So you choose whatever username you want to use there. Okay, and then you set a pin. When you choose your username, then click complete. You click complete, then you set a pin code that you'll be using for your transactions, and then this is what you're going to see when you're done. So next thing you're going to do, you're going to click verify your account. When you click verify your account, you choose the country where your ID holds, and that's Nigeria. And then you select it, then you click continue. And then first, be in a very lit environment. Remember, you always have to be in a bright environment because you're going to take selfies of yourself to verify you. So you click proceed, and then they'll now ask you select country. You choose Nigeria, then select verification channel. And then the verification channel, there are actually three. You can use your NIN, your BVN, or maybe your international passport or driver's license, or anyone you have. Okay, so I'm going to be choosing BVN because that's much actually very, very faster. But if you try BVN and it doesn't work, you can always use other verification channels like the NIN. So, but the fastest one is actually BVN. So you click BVN, then they'll now tell you, okay, put your face in this circle, and then you put your face there, and you have to be in a bright environment, please. Make sure the environment is very bright, and you yourself, you can even see that it's very bright from the camera. So you put your face there, and then it will scan your face, and then after scanning your face, it will ask you to put your BVN number, and after putting your BVN number, and then you click proceed, it will now show you verification successful, return to merchant. Okay, so when you return to merchant, this is how your dashboard is going to be like. But on your own, you might see here join, create accounts to receive overseas, but you're not going to click that. What you're going to do, you see this top right here where you see NG Naira, you click that. When you click that, this is going to come out. So you choose US dollar, and then this is going to be your US dollar dashboard. So now what you're going to do, you're now going to come here and click more. Okay, when you click more, this is what is going to come out. So you now click view details. Okay, you click view details. So when you click view details, they now tell you apply for a new USD account. Okay, then you click continue. So when you click continue, they now tell you, okay, fill in the required information as displayed on a government issued ID. So country issued Nigeria. Okay, country issued Nigeria. Documents to upload, you choose the document you want to upload, whether it's your NIN or your international passport or driver's license. Then document number. For NIN, it is actually your NIN. For driver's license, you see the driver's license number there. For international passport, you also see the number there. Then select the issue date and then the expiry date. Okay. For NIN, you just maybe calculate 4 years after or 5 years after your NIN was given to put it here. So you now upload the document image. Okay. Then they'll now tell you upload. Okay, this is like scrolling down a little bit. If you scroll down a little bit, this is what first see upload bank statement. So if you scroll down a little bit, this is what you'll see. Okay, so after putting national ID card, you put document number, you upload it, then upload bank statement. So you're going to upload a screenshot. You can take a screenshot of the bank statement. Okay, or if you have the pictures I told you to get, but I would actually prefer the picture. I would really prefer the picture. Okay, so that to avoid unnecessary issues. But you can also take a screenshot. This one was just they just added it recently, because when I give the necessities, it wasn't screenshot that was here. It was upload bank statement. Then you see bracket here, JPEG, JPG format only. So this is just a new thing. So you can take a screenshot of the bank statement. Okay, and remember, it must clearly show your name and address. Look at it written here. It must clearly show your name and address. So when you finish doing that, you now click next. And then when you click next, they'll tell you fill in the correct information about your location, Nigeria, state. And remember, everything here has to be the same thing on the bank statement. State is your state, city is your city, street your street, zip code. Now for zip code, if you're in Akwa Ibom state, what you're simply going to do, you're just going to go on Google and type zip code for Akwa Ibom state. Okay, if you live in Lagos, same thing, zip code for Lagos. Whatever zip code you see there, that's what you're going to come and paste here. You understand? You cannot find the exact zip code for your particular location, like your address. If you know it, you can put it, but like if you don't know your exact zip code, you can just Google the zip code for your state and then put it here where you see zip code. Then house number, you put your house number. So you now click next. After clicking next, you now fill in your phone number and occupation. Name, phone number, you put in your phone number, your occupation, you can put in freelancer. Okay, source of income, you can say okay, Amazon or anything you can put there. But your source of income, you can still put the same freelance as your occupation. Account designation, you put your account designation there. Your employment status, self-employed or whatever. Income band, whatever range of income that you want to receive. I will advise you to choose the lowest range, okay, of income there. Then you now click finish. Okay. Then when you click finish, this is what you're going to see. They'll now tell you, okay, put your phone number. Okay, if you scroll down the more, sorry, if you scroll down the more before finish, they'll tell you to put your birth date. Remember, this is it. So if you scroll down the more, if you just scroll down, they'll now tell you put your birth date. Okay, so after you put your birth date, they'll now tell you account, USD account has been requested and we will notify you once it has been approved. Okay, so they will tell you that it will take 24 to 72 hours, but actually it takes much longer than that. At least mine took 10 days. Mine took 10 days before it was given to me. But yours might actually take shorter. Because like immediately with Payday, this is not how they usually give US accounts. If you just open an account, you just get it immediately. But the bank hosts that they were working with before Silvergate, they changed them. So now it takes much longer and they are doing manual verification now. So it will take much longer before they give you the US bank account. So it's good you just request it because they're actually more authentic. I've been using them for a long while. So that is all about the first alternative. Okay. So after this video, I'm going to be sending the second alternative. Okay. So now another thing you should note for the second alternative, it might not work for you and it might work for you. Okay, so if at the end, if during the process of trying to get like trying doing the second alternative, you have a problem, okay, because the issue you might have is where you're putting the bank information, okay, but it doesn't happen for everybody, just a very few people that have made that complaint to me, okay, because we actually tested each and every one of these processes I'll be sending for you during this class to be sure that okay, nothing goes wrong. So only a very few people, like maybe a handful of people that had issues in that had issues during the second alternative. So if you have issues during the second alternative, simple thing you should do is just to send me a DM with your issue. Okay, coach, this is what happened. I wasn't able to get the bank details, because the second alternative, you're meant to get your bank details today so that you use it in creation of your Amazon KDP account. Okay, but if you have problems in the second alternative, okay, then you just send me a message that, okay, coach, I just tried doing the second alternative and I wasn't given, or I was stuck at this particular place. And then I'll now tell you what to do next. There are actually four alternatives in total, but I couldn't post all four videos because it actually elongates the class. So I just had to post two. And if you have any problem with, and if you have a problem with the second one, then I'll give you the third one privately. You understand? So that others can still proceed with the class. So that's going to be all for this video. Thank you very much, and I still remain Coach Promise.